T-minus 15 seconds. There goes the second umbilical tower, moving away from the Soyuz. T-minus 10. First stage engines are at flight speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Soyuz rocket as Ron Garan, Alexander Samokutyaev, and Andrey Borisenko begin their journey to the International Space Station.
Seconds. Everything is fine on board. Copy. 30 seconds. Flight. All fine. Launch vehicle fine.
As you're hearing, everything looking good so far in the first 45 seconds of the Soyuz TMA-21's flight. The Soyuz is now heading toward a link-up with the International Space Station 2 days from now.
50 seconds. The pressure is within norm and we are doing well on board.
60 seconds, nominal. Roll pitch nominal.
Rotation within norm.
1 minute and 12 seconds into flight. The velocity of the Soyuz is now 1,100 miles per hour. We've had good first stage performance, and the Soyuz is delivering 102 tons of thrust from its 4 boosters.
80 seconds.
Single engine.
We are doing well.
The first stage of the Soyuz measured 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter, and it's burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of the flight.
1:18.
Thank you.
21:15.
We are doing good. All the parameters are within the norm.
21:15. 110 seconds. Nominal. Roll pitch nominal.
Doing good.
Jettison and the 4 strap-on boosters. These have completed their job and have dropped away at an altitude of 28 statute miles. Soyuz is traveling at about 3,350 miles per hour, now 2 minutes and 20 seconds into its flight.
140 seconds in flight. Copy. $150.
You hear inside the capsule as the crew is making their way into orbit. Again, you can see here on the bottom of the screen Alexander Samokutyaev, and next to him Andrey Borisenko, out of view Ron Garan.
I don't think we can see it, but we felt it.
2 minutes and 55 seconds now into the flight, and the escape tower and launch shroud have by now been jettisoned.
The format of control descent on.
3 minutes and 3 seconds. Soyuz is traveling at a speed of about 4,700 miles per hour.
Turn on the camera. Yes.
And there is a view of NASA astronaut Ron Garan making his way into space for the second time.
Ron is monitoring.
Soyuz core stage is performing as expected. The core stage of the Soyuz is 56 feet in length, 13.5 feet in diameter, with a single engine with 4 fuel chambers, providing 96 tons of thrust for its 3 minutes and 28 seconds of operation. We're now 3 minutes and 37 seconds into the flight. Again, view here of Ron Garan in the center of the screen, and just in the corner of the view also the Soyuz commander Alexander Samokutyaev.
Nominal, stable, stabilization nominal, and we are doing well on board and feeling great.
40 seconds, nominal.
The second stage thrusters are operating stable. Copy.
Roll pitch nominal.
4 minutes and 20 seconds into the flight, as you hear everything continuing to go well.
60 seconds, nominal.
$270 seconds in flight. Nominal flight. Copy. $280. Copy. Now the separation of the second flight. And yes, we can feel that.
First stage. Second stage.
We have separation of the second flight.
5 minutes now into the flight, and as you heard, the core boosters burned out and separated at an altitude of 105 miles. Third stage now ignite.
R11 command is issued. Copy that.
Core stage engine has now filled its role for today and dropping away. About 4 minutes of power flight now remaining. Soyuz is being propelled by a single engine of the Soyuz third stage. That engine is providing 30 tons of thrust and will burn for 4 minutes and 2 seconds in all.
So right now, right before the separation of the second stage, we did feel that.
Three
340 seconds in flight. No issues. Everything is fine on board.